Well, first I flutter my eyelashes. Excellent. Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
I am a fan. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to do the last of the EYLURE brand. So today we're going to be talking about is the pre-glued lashes by EYLURE. These are quite interesting. I've never tried pre-glue lashes before. Before I get all the way into it though, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there. And a thumbs up would help as well. Now let's get into these lashes. This is gonna be interesting. All right guys, and these are the first pair out the bunch. These are from the Pre-Glued Naturals. These are the number 3s. They're a soft natural look, get lashed in 15 seconds, stays on for 15 hours. Okay. No glue, no mess, no stress. I like to hear all of that. These are interesting because I think these are considered accent. For me, my eye shape, these are accent lashes. These are cute. They did take like 5 seconds to put on. So from like here to the end is where they're at. And they do have a sticky black kind of thing to make it look like, it does look like a little bit of eyeliner. This little lash, now let me see. The hairs are soft. Even though this lash is like this big, is a little accent lash. But these are really, really cool. I do like the pre-glued situation. I said, I kind of want to see more, because the magnetic ones, guys, I don't do those. Those scare the mess out of me. I just don't trust it. But when they're pre-glued, I like this. I really like this. They say they stay on for 15 hours. We're gonna see. They're comfortable. I can't feel them at all. These are the natural ones though, but I can't feel them at all. And it is really sticky. It's staying. And I'm like, interesting. So even when your eye waters, I wonder, will it come up or will it mess up that sticky band? But my eyes didn't water anyways this time because I didn't have to sit and keep plucking at it or putting it in place. It just kind of there, moved side to side, and it's already sticky. So I do like this. I do like that it is black, but I wish some of them were clear, because sometimes I want nothing to be seen. But this doesn't look bad. This looks like legit, like my lash just like extended. And the front of my lash, that is my lash in the front, that little baby lash, with the little accent at the end, that little curl right there. Like I said, it's cute. The hairs are soft. They're not any faux mink feel or nothing like that, but they're very natural. I'm liking it so far. right, guys, these are from the natural collection as well, but these are the number 117. So these are more my type of level. I like these. These are on my level because I really do like the length of these. So these are actually quite easy to put on. My eyes did water a little bit with this eye when I was showing you I was putting it on, and this end keeps trying to creep off. So I'm wondering, when your eye is wet, does that mess with the glue? I assume it probably does. These are longer. These are definitely more wispy. These have more texture to the hairs because definitely they're longer, you can feel it. I like these, definitely going in my collection. You have a little curl, see a little curl too. Again, I've learned EYLURE likes their curl. They're always gonna put a curl. Even the accent ones had that little curl at the end. When you wanna pop on and go, this is very, very convenient. One thing with the Lash brand too, it is not thick. I can't feel it, even with this one being a full size set. But these do look quite natural, a little more extra boom. If they kept making this but like different styles, oh yeah, I would buy them all. If every brand like started doing that, just make pre-glued ones so we can just pop it on and go. I like the style. These are very wispy but also curly. I am so glad that they make pre-glued eyelashes. I want more of them, of every brand. I want every brand to do it, every brand, because I'm like, this is smart. This is actually very smart. These are my favorite so far. With the natural collection of the pre-glue, these are my favorite. My favorite. I love these. So these are the last pair. These actually come from the Wispy Intense collection. This one is number 141. Now, these are more of the va-va-voom. Now, I'll tell you one thing. I like these pre-glued lashes so much. These are really good for people that have sensitive inner corners, sensitive eyes, that water easily. These are really good for that, guys. Like literally, you don't have to think, oh my God, all of that glue, or it's gonna, you know, it gets white again and you have to take it off, wait, re-wipe, get off your eye, put it on, try it one more time so it doesn't touch too much if you're really sensitive. It's so annoying, the extra glue, but this actually does help because it's like, it's just sticking, it's just on there. Now these are very wispy. They are. These have more of that elongated wispy look. And compared to the other ones, these other ones were definitely more curly, more short stocked. But these are definitely more straight wispy. They have a curl. See, they clearly have a curl. But that one was a little more curlier. This one is definitely more wispy and more fanned out. Definitely longer. What else y'all come up with? Because this is great. You're doing great, sweetie. This is amazing. I really, really like this type of invention. I like that people are making this. I need to have more and I need to try all of them because this is pretty amazing. For people that have watery eyes and so sensitive, I'm telling you, you're gonna love these. And also too, fun part is, now with EYLURE ones, I don't know if any other brand has made pre-glued ones, and I don't know if you have to maybe cut them, but I haven't had to cut none of these. So that's another thing. Maybe their measurements are a little better when it's pre-glued. So these are fluttery, wispy look, they say. I love these. I love pre-glued. I am a fan. I'm a fan. I'm telling you, people that have sensitive watery eyes like me, a lot of times you're gonna love these. I can't feel anything. They just are so light. I can't feel the band, can't feel the glue. Oh, I love pre-glued lashes. Keep doing them. Give us more. Give us all kinds of styles. I would buy them up in a flash. So guys, that was my mini little lash haul with the pre-glued EYLURE London lashes. I want more. I'm pretty sure they have maybe a few more, but I would like to see some from Kiss, Ardell, any other lash brand that just came out recently. I want everyone. I want everyone to do pre-glued lashes. Okay, lash brands, please do pre-glued lashes. People like me that have a little sensitive eyes sometimes and it waters a lot, that glue kicks our behind. One thing I almost forgot to point out, guys, too, the trays are different for the pre-glued lashes as well. So the tray has like a little, see inside of there, you place the glued lashes in there. And then these are a little harder. They're not like the typical like plastic like the top of this is. It's a more sturdy plastic. It's harder, and you put it in between those trays. So that's one thing that's interesting that I realized that's the difference between the pre-glued lashes and the regular lashes that you just have to use glue. They're so pretty. I'm just not over it. It's like, look at these. Please, 2021, have pre-glued, nothing but pre-glued lashes. Please, please, please. So I definitely will be getting more for the future, just for me. But thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. And as well, don't forget to hit that notification button and give me a thumbs up while you're at it. Again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'ma catch y'all on the next one. Bye.